welcome back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. Before I start with the recipe, I just want to give you guys a reminder. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help this girl out and subscribe. And while you're at it, there's a little bell next to the subscription button, which if you click on it, that activates it and that will let you know whenever I have new videos. It's the same for all YouTube channels. It's nothing special on mine. So if you guys are like any YouTube channel, like mine, you just click on the bell and that will activate the notification so that you guys know when there's new videos out. And well, now to more serious business. Here's the recipe of today. I got it from the Chocolate Abuelita recipe book. Chocolate Abuelita in Mexico is chocolate which is used to make hot chocolate. It's usually in tablets. You can also find it in powdered version. And the recipe for today is cookies made with either the powdered or you can shred the tablet to make these delicious chocolate Abuelita cookies. The ingredients you need to make your Chocolate Abuelita cookies are half a cup of granulated Abuelita chocolate, 135 grams of room temperature butter, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 eggs, 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So for the first step, we are going to whip our butter first. We're going to be using the mixer because it's easier. So we're going to whip our butter. Once it's nicely whipped, we're going to add the condensed milk and the eggs, and we're going to continue mixing until it's nicely blended. After that, we're going to add our dry ingredients. I recommend sifting the flour so that you can get rid of any lumps that are in it. So you're going to add the flour, the baking powder, and the Chocolate Abuelita. That would be it. We mix well until you have a nice smooth dough. So the dough is done. I took it out of the bowl and with my hands I balled it up a little bit. You need some plastic film and we're going to cover the dough with the plastic film and then put it in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. So our cookie dough is chilled. The next step is to preheat our oven. We're going to preheat it at 355 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. While it's preheating, we can start making our cookies. We're going to ball it up. You can use a cookie scoop, you can use your hands, anything you have available, 2 spoons, and we're going to roll it up into balls. You have to keep them a bit separate from each other, otherwise they're going to stick together. These blow up a bit more, but after that, then you can bake them for 20 minutes. So we're done baking the cookies. With the size I made them, it was 34 cookies, which are quite large. They're a good shape. I forget that not everyone that watches the video is Mexican, so let me give you a story of what Chocolate Abuelita is. It's made by the brand Nestle, and I used the granulated version. It's already powdered, but the traditional one would come in a box like this one, and it comes with separate tablets of chocolate, which I'll show you up close, have all these like separations so that you can cut it into the size you want for your beverage. This is chocolate which is spiced. It's not just normal chocolate like the store-bought one, which is a dessert. This one is more like for beverages, for cooking, for baking. It's really yummy. It smells like cinnamon and I don't know what else they put in it, but it's really a really nice chocolate. So these cookies are amazing. You guys have to try them. If you have little kids at home and you need to keep them busy, I mean, everyone being stuck at home, we are all kind of on each other's backs. So this is a good way to keep them busy. You bring them into the kitchen and you have them ball some cookies and enjoy them later. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.